Okay, Google, start the video.
Okay, starting video.
Okay, Google, play the morning playlist.
Okay, playing morning playlist.
Okay, Google, play music in all rooms.
Another benefit to using Google Home is that it simulates what it is like to ask a real person an answer to a question, and so makes things like consulting the internet for information a social process rather than a solitary one. Importantly, the interactive utility of Google Home Speaker is an unprecedented technology with the potential to revolutionize how we understand our home environments and the connected networks in which our social lives are embedded.
So the basic Google Assistant is you talking to Google, but there's a third-party library that allows you to build your own extensions as well, and we'll get to talking about that soon. The Google Assistant is interesting because it supports both text and voice-based audio inputs and outputs. And once again,
Google Home functions as a social intelligence technology which tracks data of interaction with users through sensors and algorithms. The social interaction between humans and technology outlined in the next decade is predicted to evolve into an interdependent network.
we announced today that the Assistant is now available. It was available on Google Home, but now we're also announcing that it's going to be available on a lot of Android phones out there. And also, it's coming soon on Wear, TV, and Auto. So we're bringing the Assistant to all of these different platforms.
The benefit of intelligence networks attached to the smart home are promoted to create a synchronized service between the home, transportation, hospitals, and other emergency services. Through producing algorithms, smart home technology has the intelligence to communicate with other intelligence systems to generate real-time data on key metrics such as hospital waits and transit arrival times.
Hey Google, has my package shipped?
Yes, it's already shipped. It'll arrive tomorrow.
Hey Google, how's the traffic from Pebble Rock School to the airport?
Your normal route has heavy traffic. There's a faster one that'll take about 35 minutes. I've sent it to your phone.
Where we announced a new initiative called Cloud IoT Core, which is a fully managed service on the Google Cloud platform that allows you to securely connect millions of IoT devices to Google Cloud. This is cool is because it scales automatically and it works anywhere in the world. We provide endpoints everywhere that you don't have to worry about. You just simply upload your data. So imagine millions of devices logging data every minute.
Google Personal Assistant technologies are predicted to evolve into an Internet of Things, which is a system that works discreetly by connecting various institutions, organizations, and devices into a network. The potential of millions of devices from various institutional structures to be networked by the Internet of Things environment presents to us a society in which human and technology are blurred, embedding the environment in a smart technology of total interactivity. The intelligence layer of Google Home's computation function has the potential to bring about the convergence of information technology and artificial intelligence, which results in the creation of smart environments. The context-specific computing of ambient intelligence is the next step in smart home technology, allowing the home itself to possess intelligence and interact through machine learning with residents.
The potential of ambient intelligence technology to ease our societal functions come with major ethical and moral drawbacks due to surveillance concerns. Tech critics raise concerns about the surveillance functions of Google Home to track data and sell algorithms to third parties. People are shaping their interactions with Google Home to bring to consciousness the computing technology that resides in their home environment to address surveillance risks. The blurring of private and public requires public debate about how we can interact with Google Home in a secure way.
Okay, Google, how do we get an A in Communications 253?
Okay, let me see.